The next advanced and powerful formatting option that I want to examine is the ability to use cell styles. In our early formatting videos, we looked at how to change the font size, font weight, and font style options to create distinctive headers to highlight the way certain information appears within the worksheet. Let's take, for example, this header. At the moment, my formatting is the standard format for this theme, and I've just made the text bold. I could continue to customize this formatting by increasing the size a little. I might change the color of the font, and then I might even potentially change the background of the top row. This is not bad. I'm relatively happy with the result, but it did take me quite a few steps to do that. Now let's undo those changes and look at a different approach to quickly adding formatting. From my base position, in fact I might even remove formatting completely. Let's see what we can do with the cell style. To find my cell style, I go to Styles within the home page, click into my drop down, and I see a large variety of preset styles. So for example, if I'm trying to create a title style for the title of my document, I have a pre-made title style. I can simply click on that, and Excel has increased the font, changed the background color of the font, and I'm relatively happy with the instant result I've had. My previous approach took me several clicks to create a title header, whereas this only took me one. I can try and repeat the same operation here with my subheaders. I can go to Cell Styles and I could perhaps choose Heading 2 or Heading 3. Let's start with Heading 1 for this top row. And let's apply Heading 3 for the row below it. As you can see, I've now very quickly and easily customized the cell styles of my document. There are a huge variety of other default cell styles. Some of my favorites include the total style. You may also want to use the note style or the explanatory style. But again, it's a question of exploring yourself and finding the formats that you most prefer. But I want to show you some of the other benefits of using styles. Styles are tied very tightly to your themes. So as discussed in the previous video, we can go to our page layout and change the theme of the document. As we can see, the color of those themes are radically changed, and they'll fall in line with the general feel of that theme. At this point, I might simply return to my standard Office theme. Finally, within styles, there's one other benefit of using them. If I don't like this particular default style or this default style here, for whatever reason it's not quite to my taste, I have the option to create my own styles. So let's say I quite like the look of this style, so I'm going to copy that as a foundation, but perhaps I want to change the font color to be a dark green instead. I can simply use this color as a template, go to my cell styles, and go to New Cell Style. I need to give my new cell style a name, so I might call it Title in Green, and click OK. We can now return to the Cell Styles menu, and we can see that we have a custom style called Title in Green. I can now continue to use this custom style throughout my document on different pages and at different times, providing me with a shortcut to applying a number of different formatting options all at the click of one button. But I'd like to introduce you to one more powerful feature of cell styles. Let's say I've applied my custom style all over this workbook. Every single sheet has the custom style of header in green. But then I decide that maybe I don't like the color green, or I want to change the font type or font height or something to that effect. Now, ordinarily I would have to go through each iteration of each sheet, find that formatting and update it. But with cell styles, I can simply return to my cell styles menu, find that custom formatting, right click on it, go to modify, click on my formatting button in order to modify the format. I'm going to change my font style to bold and italics. Click OK, and we will see that my cell style has been updated, and this would be updated for any instance of that cell style anywhere in the document. So if you take your worksheet to your boss and you've spent a lot of time preparing your report so it's just perfect, and then he says, listen, I just don't like the formatting. I need you to change all of those headers because I don't like the color you've used. It's no longer a problem. You simply go into your cell style, find that cell style and update it once, and the change is made everywhere in your document. So really embrace cell styles and learn how to use them. They're a very powerful formatting tool.